Producing a PCB is a very complex process with many steps involved that even for a person working within the PCB industry can be hard to understand. In this series of videos, you will learn about the most important steps in the multi-layer production process. We will explain what happens in each step and identify key aspects critical to producing a reliable PCB. The production process can be grouped into 12 main steps where each consists of several sub-steps. But first, what is a multi-layer PCB? In simple terms, it's a circuit board with 3 or more conductive layers of copper separated by insulating material. These layers connect components through tracks and pads. It's important to know that each PCB designation is unique. They aren't off-the-shelf items. Instead, they are carefully built to perform a specific function that no other design can meet. Now, let's start at the beginning, how we take Accustomer's unique design and bring it to life.